Assalamualaikum, sir. I am Mujahidur Rahman. Now I am going to present my assignment here. We are three members working to do this assignment, and our topic was principal component analysis, which is PCA in a short. Now, first of all, we have to know what is principal component analysis. According to definitions, we know principal component analysis is a statistical technique that is useful for compression and to extract useful information from multivariate data sets. And then purpose of PCA, and it is actually why we use PCA. Actually, we use PCA to reduce the dimensions, such as from 3D to 2D. In example, in televisions, we used to see 3D images, but actually the TV screen is not 3D, that is 2D, and that's proof that we see 3D images through the 2D component. And actually, this is the applications of this principal component and analysis. And here we express some real life applications of it, like it's in our daily basis, different type of the feature we use fingerprint sensor, we use voice recognitions, voice command, and some image noise filterings, that's we use. And beside that, it also solve the problems of big data, and that's and applying many machine learning tools, it's apply in our daily basis. And next come to the data simulations, and this is the main part of this assignment. And there we see a graph, and there is various colors point, and this is represent as a data points here. And we know in data mining, there has many data in all over the in environment here and there, but all are unsorted data. In data mining's main task is this data is sorted and torturing this data to find something. That's why this name is data mining. And here represented many data, and from this data we actually find out something with the help of these algorithms. And here some mathematical equations, and from these mathematical equations finally we found that here u1 vector greater than u2 vector, that greater than u3 vectors, and respectively till ud. And from this graph, we learn to know that here is u1 is the first vector, and u2 is the second vector. And here u1 actually it's represent is the variance, in which vector the variance is maximized, that represent here which is greater or not. And here is we come to know from this graph, here variance is for u1 vector, here variance is start from here and end here, and till the data is exist. And for u2 vector, here variance is from here and end here. So according to equations in this graph, here u1 is the first vector that's greater than u second vector u2. And there in the line which we have drawn here, and here can be many data points, something here or there, and there can be many vectors here there, in this way. And this type of the vectors, and there is also variance here till here. And this mathematics equations is represent this, that express that which variance is greater and less. And this graph we express that actually. Then next come to the next. And After that, we have some sample code here in Python, and in this here we see some images that is very noises and not clear. We cannot see anything. Some faces not we cannot recognize here. But in next images we see here some. Yes, now clear it's with the evolution of code. These images are clear here, and here we did actually noise free. We fixed the noise, filtering the noise here to understand this image actually with the help of these PCA algorithms. And next come to the here we read the case study of PCA by reading some research paper through online about principal component analysis on this topic. And we try to represent here and try to resolve some problems, and some to gathering some informations according to which we found here. And beside that, which algorithms we use here. And that's it. So we come to the end of our slide, and our assignment is still here. Thank you, sir.